Kinsay nangita dire kung saon pag-process ang 13A visa probationary. What are the requirements to do the 13A visa probationary? I think this video is for you. So, guys, I am a Filipina married to a foreign national, and I would love to share with you sa mga Pinay nga na ay mga husband ng foreigner nga gusto i-petition ang ilahang husband to have a resident visa in the Philippines. So, before having a resident visa permanent, you will go through probationary period, and these are the requirements. So, these are the requirements for 13A visa probationary. Joint letter request should be notarized and addressed to... Actually, guys, this one is long time ago, so they changed the personnel. So, just ask the BI Immigration a new list because this one is already new. Bago na. This is new. And it should be through attorney... kung saan kayong immigration pupunta. Kung sa Cebu, they have their Bureau Immigration, Acting Alien Control Officer. So, you just have to, this video is like an idea for you to what are the requirements to have a probationary resident visa. And then, you need notarized guarantee letter stating that all the documents submitted are genuine and no intent to defraud the governments. And then we have question and answer form. It should be notarized. So I think I have somewhere, I will just make another video sa questionnaire, na ay questionnaire. I think I set aside empty questionnaire, so I will share it with you as well. Then we have colored copies of all the passport pages. Yes po, lahat ng passport pages, i-photocopy mo yan. Lahat, from pages 1 to ano yan, dapat colored. And then we have 1 set all original and 2 set photocopies colored. And 4 pieces 2x2 photos, white background, and 3 pieces white long folder. Kasi yung isang folder, ipapasa yan doon sa 3 copies, 1 original and 1 photocopy. Long folder. And we have another requirements. Meron pa kasi itong kasunod na requirement. Ayan, nakaganyan na siya. May checklist yan, guys. Joint letter request addressed to the commissioner from the applicant of petitioning the Filipino spouse. Then another one is a duly accomplished CGAF, BI form CGAF. Ayan. Then we have marriage certificate, and then birth certificate of the copy of BI issue identification of Filipino citizen. So, birth certificate ng wife, okay? And then we have photocopy of passport. Iyon yung lahat ng pages. We have valid national, dapat may NBI si hubby. And just to let you know, if your foreign husband must go to the NBI prior to the schedule of your interview, kasi ang NBI ng mga foreign national, kapag first timer silang kukuha, it take 20 to 26 working days bago i-release yung NBI nila. Kaya kailangan before ng schedule ng interview ninyo sa personal appearance sa BI Immigration, dapat nakakuha na kayo ng NBI. Kasi sa aming case, hindi kasi namin alam that time. Pabalik-balik kami. Ang layo-layo pa naman ng Hilongos Leyte to Tacloban. It takes like 4 hours via land transportation. Wala kaming sariling sasakyan to go there. Kaya nag-rent na lang kami. And at that time, when we do the probationary, ay nagsakay lang kami ng van, which is, in my case, napaka sensitive ko kasi pag travel. Kasi madali akong mahilo. Anyways, regardless to that, make sure before ng schedule, for example, this year, you have schedule for October, or let's say November, make sure na ngayong September, kukunin nyo na yung NBI ni hubby. Kasi it takes 20 working days para makuha yung NBI ng hubby mo or ng foreign national husband mo. And then, yan lang po. Ayan o. So, i-comply mo lang yan. So, once na-comply mo na lahat, yung nasa requirements list for probationary resident visa, ay bibigyan kayo ng schedule niyan for your appearance kasi i-interviewin kayo ng acting in charge ng immigration. So, after ninyo ma-interview, yung ano naman, yung approval, it takes 2 to 3 months bago nyo malaman na okay na yung mga papel ninyo. And after that, it takes, dapat may 1 year kasi isang taon ang ibibigay na probationary sa husband mo. If anything, okay, this and that. After a year, balik kayo for your permanent resident visa. So, yan po yung process na napagdaanan namin. So, kung may mga tanong pa kayo, I can message actually kasi friends ko sa Facebook yung nasa immigration. So, pwede ko siyang tanungin kung if in case may mga bago. Kasi I'm sure na meron silang bagong commissioner. May bago kasi nga, di ba, new administration. And during the Pugo issues, parang tinanggal yung commissioner nga. May bago ngayon. So, just ask for the requirements and yun lang yun. Sana nakatulong ang video ito. At kapag you are from Leyte, comment in this video. Sorry. Comment in this video kung may mga tanong kayo. Bye!